How to install Zoom Flatpak in RedHat-like system with Ansible. I'm going to show you a live demo with some simple Ansible code. I'm Luca Burton and welcome in today's episode of Ansible Pilot. Today we are going to talk about the Ansible module Flatpak. The full name is community.general.flatpak, which means that is part of a collection community general or module maintained by the Ansible community, so is not included in the base in the Ansible core. The purpose of the Flatpak module is to manage Flatpaks in the target system. So, exactly what we are looking for. If you don't know about Flatpak technology, you must add this to your toolkit, because there are a lot of situations where it could be very useful. Let me summarize the parameter of a Flatpak module. The only required is name, where you specify the Flatpak name to install or remove. The parameter state specify if you would like to perform the install action, option present, or the remove action, option absent. The parameter method specify if you would like to install the Flatpak in system-wide, default, or only the current user. There are also some parameters for advanced user. For example, you could specify a different source with a remote parameter rather than the default FlatHub. Also not install the dependency with no underscore dependency parameter, or if the executable is different than the usual Flatpak, but is not used a lot. Demo time. I'm going to show you how to install Zoom Flatpak in RedHat-like system with Ansible Playbook. Are you ready? Let's have fun! Wait a minute. Would you like to deep dive into Flatpak technology? Go directly with your browser to flatpak.org and you can find all the information that you would like to know. There is also this very interesting video that clarify more about the technology and how to use it. Moreover, the important part is the FlatHub. FlatHub is the official, it's like an app store where you can find all the available application and Flatpaks. Everything is categorized by different, is organized in different categories. And for example, we are going to use the Zoom video conferences Flatpak. This is maintained directly by the community and you can take a look on the latest version and how to use it. So this is great. Welcome to my editor. Let's make our hands dirty and install Zoom Flatpak in a RedHat-like system. Let's begin our playbook with a play named Flatpak module demo that is going to target all of my inventory. You can specify the partition that you need. I need a root privilege, so let me set it out become to true, and I don't need the facts, so let me set to false. Let me define some task. First of all is let's verify that Flatpak utility is present on the target system. We need the package manager, so Ansible built-in.yum module interact with yum and DNF on this utility. The name of the package is Flatpak and the state must be present. This is default for Fedora and all the desktop distribution. Second thing is to verify that the flathub repository is configured. I'm going to use community.general.flatpak_remote. This is a service module that configures the Flatpak repository. So the name is flathub, the state must be present, and let me define the URL with flatpak repo_URL. And the most convenient way is to copy and paste from the website. It's easy to do like this, so here we go. This is the full URL. And I'm going to method not capital. Let me define method. I would like to define for system-wide. It's easy. And finally, we can set it up our Flatpak. So let me install Zoom via Flatpak. It will be super easy. Just use the right Ansible module, community.general flatpak. Here we go. The name of the package, the full name is us.zoom.zoom with capital Z. Here we go. The state must be present on the system, and the method is system, because we would like to make system-wide this decision. As you can see, in a few lines of Ansible, I'm able to verify that Flatpak is installed on the system, the command line utility, set it up the flathub repository, and install the Flatpak that we want. You can customize Zoom with whatever you want, or I don't know, latest version of Firefox. There is a lot of use case related to Flatpak, so it's very convenient to have this code handy, and use can save time in your everyday journey. Welcome to my terminal. I would like to show you one demo machine, in my case fedora.example.com. I'm going to connect via SSH with DevOps username. First of all, let me show you some OS release file where you can find out all the version and detail about this virtual machine. This is a fresh new machine that I'm using only for this demo. And let me try to list the installed Flatpak. In this case, the Flatpak utility is really not present on the system. Same for remote. So it seems utility is not present. There is no Flatpak installed, as well no flathub configured. Double check also the RPM is not installed on the system. So this is a good test scenario for our Ansible playbook. Let me execute with Ansible-playbook. Let me specify my inventory file and then the path for my playbook. This is a great resource, the Flatpak, because sometimes you really need the latest version of Firefox, for example, for testing your web app application, or I don't know, some closed source executable, and you don't want to install a lot of dependency, or all the relevant library are in different version. So in some use case could really be a good Swiss knife for system administrator. The process is going to take a while. Now YAM, the Fedora package manager, is taking care of resolving the dependency, download the relative packages, and install and verify on the target host. The performance depends, as usual, by the virtual machine and the network connection that you have. The install is one of the utility, is one of the most impactful of this playbook. For example, for Fedora Desktop, Flatpak is already included in the base packages, so you need to skip this stuff. Then the install of the configuration of FlatHub repository is very fast, and the other step to download will be faster as well. This is the real time spent on my machine, so it's going to take a while. The expected result is a change status, which means some actions are performed on the target machine. As you can see, I'm expecting for 3 tasks 3 change status. The FlatHub configuration was super fast, only add some text file inside the Flatpak and no more. This step to install the utility and install Zoom take a while because it involves the connection. Also, it's not only Zoom, there are some dependencies, some multimedia library and other requirements. So it's not downloading only one Flatpak, but in the end will be 4 Flatpak installed on our target machine. But we don't need to do anything, just wait till Ansible is taking care of all these steps. At the end of the day, we are going to receive a 3 change status, which means action performed on the target machine. Then we are going to verify manually that everything is fully working on the target machine. Just few moments of patience and Flatpak will be available. Consider that Flatpak is a great technology that is focused more on UI application. Another technology that might be interesting for you is Snap, that I will cover in some other lesson. Snap is focused more on some console and in general also UI utility. Hey, here we go. Fantastic, we got our change status, and now we could execute again to verify the idempotency of this Ansible module. Idempotency is the property of returning OK status when no changes are needed. Here we go. Let's double check via SSH. DevOps is my username at fedora.example.com. This is my test machine again. First of all, let me use a Flatpak utility with list to list the available Flatpak. Is a system-wide, as you can see, the Zoom, the expected one, but also some multimedia and also related Flatpak. FlatHub is currently installed, so great job Ansible. Wow, what a success! Everything is ready and configured. Now you know how to install Zoom Flatpak and in general any other type of Flatpak in RedHat-like system with Ansible. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, write me a comment, and in general keep in touch with me, and see us on the next lesson of Ansible Pilot, and have a great day! This video is part of our Ansible automation program. Sign up today on www.ansiblepilot.com for uninterrupted exclusive video and so much fun!